Hi, my name is Paul.schifferdecker and I'm with MarineMax at beautiful Lake of the Ozarks on this bright sunshiny day here in June. And I'd like to do a walkthrough with you of this 2019 Harris Tritoon. It's a Solstice model. I think it's the best value at the lake today, and I think you'll see why here. And if you like what you see, please go to YouTube, click on the link and subscribe. It's free. You'll be glad you did. Just imagine yourself sinking in to this luxurious pillow top upholstery. I mean, it's as comfortable as any furniture that you might have in your home. Very, very plush. This is in the tan camel color. Look at the stitching, the attention to detail that Harris has. Storage underneath every compartment. Opens easily with one hand. Everything drains overboard. Faux teak vinyl. We've got ski locker. Seating for the entire family. Very luxurious. It's like having your family room on the water. This particular model has a Mercury 350 horsepower Verado to get you down the lake anywhere you want to go as fast as you care to go. The helm is like a fine European sports car. It really is fun to drive this boat. This model has a Delta tower, which really adds a touch of class to the look. Rear facing speakers for when you're coving out on the water. Everybody can hear their favorite sounds without any problem. Again, storage is everywhere under all these seats. This single lounger really maximizes the seating area as well as giving comfort facing aft while underway to watch tubers and so forth, and maximizing storage so when you come out of the water you can put your life jackets, saddles, wet lines, skis, wakeboards. I mean, it's like a huge trunk back here, and again, everything's very ergonomic. This makes sense so you don't have to, you know, splash everybody throughout the boat. An incredible stainless steel 5-step ladder for exiting the boat, exiting the water gracefully. Coming up with good secure handrails to steady yourself, get your feet back under you, as well as ski tow bar to hold on to when the passing boats throw you their wake. Again, just a gorgeous, gorgeous boat. I mean, these Tritoons have come a long way. We'd like for you to come take a look for yourself. I think you'll appreciate what you see. Again, my name is Paul with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, 573-525-1129. Thanks for joining us today. I hope to see you on the water.